What does the Python keyword imply? The @ symbol in Python introduces a decorator. Decorators are a way to modify the behavior of functions or methods. Here's a breakdown of how it works. What is a decorator? A decorator is a function that takes another function, or method, as an argument and extends or alters its behavior without explicitly modifying its code. Syntax: @decorator _ function. Def sum _ function. Pass. The @decorator _ function syntax is equivalent to def sum _ function. Pass. Sum _ function equals decorator _ function, sum _ function. This means that the original sum _ function is passed to decorator _ function and replaced by the modified version returned by the decorator. Use cases of decorators. Decorators are widely used for logging, automatically logging function calls and results. Authorization, checking user permissions before executing a function. Caching, storing results of expensive function calls to avoid redundant computations. Input validation, ensuring that function inputs meet certain criteria. Example of a simple decorator: def my _ decorator, func. Def wrapper. Print, something is happening before the function is called. Func. Print, something is happening after the function is called. Return wrapper. @my _ decorator. Def say _ hello. Print, hello. Say _ hello. Output. Something is happening before the function is called. Hello. Something is happening after the function is called. Explanation. The my _ decorator function takes say _ hello as its argument and returns the wrapper function, which adds additional behavior before and after calling say _ hello. The @my _ decorator syntax makes this transformation happen without explicitly reassigning say _ hello. Common built-in decorators. @static method declares a method as a static method that doesn't operate on class or instance data. @class method declares a method as a class method that operates on the class itself rather than instances. @property converts a method into a read-only attribute. Decorators are a powerful feature of Python that allows you to enhance the functionality of functions in a clean and reusable way.